if you want to use the Pro mode on the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, in order to find it, of course, we need to open the camera, and then over here, where we have different camera modes, we should be able to find the Pro mode. Now, over here, we can find a bunch of different parameters, just like you can usually do, you can find on other smartphones where we have the Pro mode. And if you don't know what these parameters do, then let me quickly explain. So of course we have EV, which is the exposure. This is the only setting, only parameter that cannot be adjusted automatically. So here we adjust the overall brightness of the image. It's a quick way to make a photo lighter or darker. We can tap on this arrow over here on the left side in order to reset all parameters. And then we also have the S, which is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture a light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good for night shots, but can blur a motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Of course, here we can manually adjust it, but we can also tap on A in order to set it to automatic. ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but if it is too high, then it can add grain or noise to your photos. And we can also set it to automatic. WB is the white balance. It adjusts the color temperature of a photo, so whites look white and colors look natural. Low WB makes our photo bluish and or cold, and higher values tend to have that orange feeling or warm colors. There is also F, which is the focus. It allows you to just simply set exactly what should be sharp in your photo, whether you are focusing on macro photography or if you want to capture, for example, objects that are far away behind the main object, if they should be clear as well. And besides that, we have different presets that we can, of course, utilize on this phone. And here on the left side, we have different photographic styles, like we can adjust the contrast. We have cold and warm colors, I suppose, and some additional cyan and magenta. We have the saturation and sharpness as well, so pretty cool stuff. There we go. On the right side, we have filters. At the top, we can find the megapixels. We can use 50 megapixels. We can change the format to RAW in case you are interested in RAW photography. We have the Leica style, of course. And if we tap over here, we can also manage auto exposure settings and some other stuff as well. So, oh, and of course, we can switch to the video mode as well. So we have Pro video mode available in here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.